I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by working non-destructively. Duplicate the image layer and zoom to eye level so you see pixels clearly. Once done, sample nearby skin and texture with a 1/8:1/4 brush and run a spot heal or content-aware fill to remove the visible digits. Make short, iterative strokes so the algorithm blends correctly and toggle between history states to compare. If edges look soft, switch to a cloning tool and clone tiny patches to preserve fine detail while you continue. Next, focus on matching texture and color so the edit reads as natural skin. Use a low-opacity clone stamp for micro-texture and add a second pass with patching to align larger grain. For tricky areas, perform frequency separation. Blur the low layer for color continuity and keep high layer for pores and lashes. Once done, adjust hue and saturation slightly, and use very gentle dodge and burn to restore subtle highlights and shadows so the eye area matches surrounding tones. To finish, desaturate any remaining color mismatch and reduce the correction layer opacity until the result looks seamless at 100% view. Add a hairline Gaussian blur or noise matching to blend with sensor grain, then flatten a copy for export at the original resolution. Make sure to preview on the target device. If you spot halos or repeating patterns, revert to the saved duplicate layer and perform smaller, targeted corrections rather than large fills, because iterative micro-adjustments eliminate artifacts more.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.